I just want to do some baby hauls videos, which I will post after I put to bed. I'm not going to post anything. If this any day you see this video, just know that the baby is already out here, born and doing amazing. Okay. So we're going to start with some of the things that I got. This is essential newborn haul. I don't have all the money in the world to buy luxury things, so I just decided to buy the things that are very essential for a newborn baby. And I'm going to start out with okay, give me the flag. Yeah, these are the things that were, this one, it's included in the hospital list. Okay, because I'm going to wash all these items after this video, so I have to do it today. This is from her. I'm going to open it and show you guys what is inside. Okay, this is a feeding bottle. I might not need it, but I might need it. I'm still going to wash it and take it to the hospital because I don't know if the breast milk will produce the very first, day. So I might just take it for water, And then this is the baby blanket, or what's this called? Baby what? Let me check the. Okay, called some baby blankets. Yeah. So I'm actually gonna watch this, so I think I can lose it. So I'm gonna watch everything that I bought, especially this era of Koro. You got to watch things, especially clothes and edible. I think this is beautiful. Oh, it's small. Oh. Yeah, I opt for yellow. It's actually a baby girl. I already told me we're expecting a girl, so I opt for yellow. I didn't want to just do pink all over. And so I got this overall. I got two. These things are quite affordable. They're better than some of these shops. I got a sweater, and it has a cap and hand stockings for the hand. So this one I have to get pink. Yeah, I got this tiny top here for the baby. I have to continue. I got stockings, and they are really affordable. That's the truth. This stockings goes for 240 naira each. Yeah. And I got this one, though this one is not from Pep. I bought it at the mall there because I have been searching for body lotion, Johnson. The baby is going to be using Johnson for a start. Please, I know that in the US or other parts of the world, people discourage mothers from using Johnson products, but in Nigeria we don't have any complaint, and I know there's no issue. So that's what we're using, Johnson. I'm just showing you, like, I bought them on different occasions, because I didn't have any budget. It's okay, this is the money for this baby, so whenever I have money I just buy what I can buy. So I'm showing you guys. So this is from Shop-Rite. And then the content in it is, yeah, baby sponge, baby comb, baby cap, cotton bud, tissue, Johnson soaps, and then powder and Dettol. Oh, what again? Yeah, Vaseline. I have to be fast. I don't want this video to be overly long. And I got this Johnson lotion. This is a towel. Yeah, I got this baby towel. Yeah, you can add this one to the other thing so we can wash. Yeah, these are the things from, some of the things from Shop-Rite. Like I told you earlier, I bought them on different occasions because I didn't have any budget. I didn't have any money. as of when I'm filming this video, YouTube just paid today. So as of before I bought all these things, I didn't have any money. It's just God. So anytime I have money, I just buy what I can buy. I look at the list and buy what is there. Yeah, this is delivery mats. I bought this one at Ogogonogo market, and I got this baby's coverall, a set of baby coverall. I think I really love them, even though it's like a boy color. I think it's cool. Yeah, I got this quite affordable, or I don't know, yeah, 3,000 something. And then this is baby's mosquito. They asked me to bring it to the hospital, so I was really careful to make sure that I'm able to get hospital things, items that the hospital asked me to bring. Oh my goodness, this is coconut oil. Is among the things that were given to me, the hospital list. Okay, if you don't, let me put this one elsewhere. Like I told you guys, I bought these things different occasion because I didn't have a budget now. Yeah, this is from some of the things here are from Shop-Rite. So this is cotton wool that they asked me to. Some are from Ogogonogo, some are from Shop-Rite. I just put them in this bag. These are cotton wool that I'm asked to bring. Pad, bought about 3. This is baby wipes. It's a lie. Oh my god, this microphone will not stay on, please. And this is diapers. I like Huggies anyways, for now. So the baby is going to be using Huggies for the first few weeks of the child's life. If I can find another, or you think you know another that you want to recommend for me, you can leave me a comment down below. But because I use Huggies during praise, so, and I really love this, so I opt for Huggies. And what again is in this bag? Okay, yeah, that's these ones. I picked them at Pen Down Select, Pen Down Okrika. So there's this woman in my streets that sells baby clothes. So she called me. I didn't want to, like, that's okay, let you know, be like you're not supporting. I just got this too. When I realized that she sells them costly, I just bought only 2, and I told her next time, at least I've tried. I don't really like them that much. They just patronize her to encourage her. So what again? So I got this. This is the baby mosquito nets. There's this cute one I saw on Instagram and I wanted to buy. It sold for 4,000 naira, but the delivery fees to us about would be for 2,500. That makes it total of 7,000. I said no, something that a baby will use for just few months of the child's life. So I said, let me leave it and just buy this one. This one is quite affordable. I think I bought this one for 3,000 naira or thereabout. So she's going to manage this one. And when we are rich, we will improve. Baby bags, yeah. So the set of bags, baby bags. I got this one, and it has a basket. I think it's out there. I can't lift everything. So I got this. I think it's 3,000 thereabouts. Not that expensive though. So this is the baby bag. Like I told you, it's essential, like basic items that we really need. Every other thing concerning the things that we want, maybe they will come later, but for now I just have to stick to my no budget at all. Baby, please. Okay, don't worry, I'll carry. So this is hanger. I bought this hanger. I'm here to pack my hospital bag. So but after this video I can now wash all the things that I want to wash, the clothing items for the baby, and then start packing and getting ready for the hospital. I think few weeks from now, maybe 4 weeks or less, who knows, maybe 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 3 weeks, the baby will be here. So that is our baby haul, essential baby haul on no budget. All right guys, it's not been easy, I won't lie, I tell you the truth. I'm massive down there, and it's been one hard week since I turned 34. It's been more difficult and more difficult for me. Oh my goodness. Okay, that is all there. You will see me making videos. I'm supposed to be doing do K, right? I'm supposed to be doing do K and post on Instagram. No, we are too old for that. It's first timers that, you know, they like to show themselves, but we are old timer. So guys, thank you for all the support you have given to me blindly. A lot of people, like, they didn't even know that I'm expecting. Just few people that I confided in. Okay, it's not because of anything that made me hide the pregnancy. Okay, it's just how I live my life. After all, this is going to be something that is going to be out there, so why am I hiding? I'm not hiding. It's just me leaving things to happen at their own times. And then here we are. Thank you for watching this video. Please, I beg you, share, subscribe, okay? And by the time this video is up, like I told you, I must have put to bed. I have put to bed, not I must have. By the time you see this video, I have put to bed. I'm not going to post until this baby is born. All right guys, thank you. Please don't forget to show me support by subscribing and liking, commenting and sharing my videos. Thank you guys. Bye. See you in my next one.